Ey, ewa salame, babak no papier, ewa salame, zinzolbim, ewa salame, ey, ey.
Hi guys, my name is Indigo. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today we're going to be doing an e-girl transformation because I was going to do an e-boy, but yeah, I don't really like the whole vibe of like e-boys. They just kind of look like tired. So we're not going to do that. We're going to do e-girl, which is like a lot more artistic and pretty, in my opinion. That's just my opinion.
That's my opinion!
I think I kind of cheated because I have dark eyes and I kind of color corrected so I could look more snatched, but either way, we're gonna go ahead and follow Eve. I can't pronounce that last name, I'm just gonna put it here. How to be an e-girl. So we're gonna learn how to do the clothes, which I think this kind of like fits, but if it doesn't, we have more clothes, way more clothes to go through. If you guys haven't already, make sure to go watch my last video. I have no idea what it is this time, so just go click on it there. Without further ado, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications, and let's get started. Okay, so this is a 20-minute long video, so I'm going to be skipping through because I'm not going to sit here for 3 hours, that's for sure. As always, we're going to have the video right over here, and you guys can watch while I'm watching as well.
Milk Makeup Blur Liquid Foundation.
Okay, so I don't have that, but I do have the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop. Let me put this away. We're gonna use the Fenty Beauty foundation. I kind of like the NYX. We're gonna do NYX. Oh wow, that's a lot of foundation. Holy hell. My foundation is now on. Not as exaggerated as that though, because that was a little not my comfort zone, but
I'm using sorry, I'm using so much.
oh my gosh, wait. Ooh, after like ooh. The cough scares the hell out of me. Milk concealer again. I used to have that. Full tea. I do not like Milk's like foundations and concealers. They're way too chemically and they're very dry and like parched on my skin, which is crazy because I have oily skin, so I have no idea how this works on her skin, but work. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Almond. I thought for a second and I was like, wait, is it pronounced almond? Because some people pronounce it like almond.
Girl, it's almond.
It's what?
Almond.
So how is she gonna do this?
Perfect for this soil.
Ooh, she's going in. Ooh. I'm like, I actually got like chills in my back right now. Blend it in. Okay, well, how's she gonna blend it? Upwards? Okay, queen. If you guys have seen any of my videos, I highly do not recommend doing this type of like triangle under the eye. I just don't think it's that efficient. And I also just think it's a wasteful practice because you're wasting a lot of concealer when you're doing this, when instead you can place it strategically in different areas of your face where you need the push. See, like if you guys can see right here, there's like some lines right here. That would not have happened if I didn't do the triangle method because I'm able to like kind of scope out like how much amount I need under my eyes, on my cheek, and underneath. You can't do that when you do the triangle method. Okay, but you know what? We pulled through, so we are still going fine.
As I said before, very much emphasis on blush. Just really blush and pink and cutesy. So I'm gonna go in again, Milk Makeup.
Oh my gosh, I don't think we're gonna bake. I'm just gonna powder it so that way I can just kind of make sure I don't get creasing, but I'm still gonna follow like what she's doing. It's kind of funny though, like how diverse makeup can be because all these products are my least favorite products and just do not work on my skin, and this girl is like piling it on because she loves it so much. Like it's really crazy how different skin types are.
Stick and perk. I'm just gonna
Ooh! Oh wow!
Afraid of blush.
Ooh.
I'm gonna do a look like this. This is literally just the base to the blush.
What? So I'm gonna go ahead and blush the hell out of my cheeks because I think she's gonna blush way more, and I don't have any of that stuff right now. I tried looking for a cream blush. I don't got one.
I'm not gonna... should I? While we're here, I'm just gonna put on a little bit of bronzer.
Once again, oh my gosh, this looks like I'm shading like Milk makeup, but like, I'm sorry, none of their like facial products just they don't work in my opinion. I don't know, if you guys have a different experience, let me know down in the comments below, but they just do not work for me. I do like their mascaras and their little stamps and eyeliners though, so let me just state that before Milk starts getting mad at me. So she brought like the blush like around to like the temples of her eye. Like it was kind of the way I piled on so much blush and I'm still nowhere near the amount of blush that she used. It's crazy.
Fake my under eyes. Same with the eyelids.
Eyelids? Hey! Oh my gosh, not again!
I'm just gonna take a little...
Barbie and the e-girls are doing it. No. If you guys haven't watched that video, here's the little card to go watch that video as well.
I'm kind of just patting it in more than dusting it over because this is quite heavy makeup. I'm going to try and leave the cheekbone a little bit
I don't have that
Got
shine.
Maxi blush.
Not the blush.
Wild card, and I'm gonna really go ham. This is like a pinky.
My blush is already at max. What are we gonna do now? Oh.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go ham
Oh
on
no.
this, and I'm gonna take it right up to the.
I'm still not getting to how dark she's doing it. Oh my gosh, none of my blushes in my arsenal are keeping up right now. I'm not gonna lie and say I like this, because I don't.
The nose is essential, I'd say.
The nose is essential. Oh! Fuck! No! I wasn't looking and I was like trying to dip into the blush. I dipped into the super dark bronzer. Oh my gosh. I don't have the nose for this.
Good for the finished result, and I'm just gonna take this on my finger and apply it on my lids as well. $39.
Okay.
Venus, the colour Venus, and put that in the crease. And that's about as technical as I'm gonna get. As
Okay,
long
well,
as it's like pink.
I don't have that, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use like a pink, this pink right here. By ColourPop Queen. Once again, you guys can use my code Indigo or whatever on 10%. Well, this is pretty much my regular eyeliner on a daily basis. This is nothing new. Not the silence
Just
from
clarify
both screens. You were both focused on the eyeliner there.
I'm gonna quickly do my brows off camera. If you want to see how I do them, just scroll through my tutorials. I do
Work. Okay, so she didn't show how she does her brows, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm not going to look at the tutorial because I'm so lazy. I don't feel like doing that, not here right now and not while I'm editing. So I'm gonna go ahead and just, investigate her brows and just try to replicate them as much as possible on my face right now. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab the Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow in shade 6 and I'm going to thicken the hell out of them. Her brows are like pretty straight, so and they're honestly like no shade, really thick. So we're gonna go ahead and so I didn't get them as straight as hers are because one, I'm working on that because I do want to get them straighter. Two, also it's just not realistic right now at this moment. So holy shit, my brows feel like heavy. Like it feels like stiff.
This is essential in my opinion. Fake freckles.
Okay,
Everywhere. This
Alright.
product's more like,
I can get down with these.
so maybe if you.
So I don't have this product, but I do have a dark concealer that I got in PR once. I don't even know why. Nyx Fit Me Concealer. I don't know why they sent me this, honestly. This is actually a really good dupe for like this. It's a lot cheaper, I'm sure. This is like $2 at the drugstore. And you can get a precise brush. And we're just gonna do like little dots around. Don't do too many, because we're about to like tap those away and then it's gonna like imprint everywhere else. Oh no. Oh, that's a beauty mark, but that's fine. We're gonna use the Better Than Sex mascara because I don't have my Kush mascara with me right now. Okay, the bottom lash is cute. I like that. You may say I'm a dreamer.
I'm gonna cheat and use the Milk Makeup tattoo stamp.
All these products that I have, but I don't have with me right now, I'm gonna cry. Here's a key lesson for me in the future. If I'm watching this, I probably am not because I don't watch my videos. Research before you do your videos. I don't have a heart, so it's good that we're putting one in. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. I did that quick. Okay. Is that it?
Okay, lastly, the lips.
Yeah. The lips do need something.
I'm gonna go in with Lulu by Lime Crime Velveteens, but this is very much on its last legs because I've used it so much. So.
I don't have lime crime. I'm gonna use my Ofra Cosmetics Cameron White collab. I don't know what this is actually called. Sao Paulo. Oh, it looks exactly like it though. Purr.
I'm gonna take Lime Crime Plushie and Sorbet, and I'm gonna.
Okay, I like the beat. Okay, so I don't have that, but I do have a Dragon Beauty Red Liquid Lip, and I'm just gonna dab like the tiniest little bit on the center of my lip. Oh, that's cute. I like this. That's fun.
This is done. Oh, this is cute.
She actually does look really cute. I do not. I don't know. Honestly, I just really think it's the fact that she has blue eyes, so this complements like the whole like eye contrast way better than the actual brown eyes. I will try a different shirt just to see if maybe it's the shirt that's kind of throwing me off, so I'll be back. Oh, okay, now it looks way better. Okay, so I just guessed like the green was contrasting way too much with this, but when I switch up the shirt, it actually does not look that bad. I feel like if I had blue eyes, it would have worked way better, but I threw away those contacts because honestly, I like my brown eyes. Just flat out, I like my brown eyes now, so I don't see a point in like blue contact. I'm just gonna go ahead and say it. The blush and the freckles are not my favorite. They're not it for me. But the heart looks nice. I mean, overall, like as a makeup look, it doesn't look that bad. But yeah, overall, this makeup look is like a 6 out of 10. I don't really want to be too harsh on it because it did look good on her, but on me, it just looks a little goofy. I'm not gonna lie, it does. But yeah, so we went ahead and we followed an e-girl makeup tutorial, and this is the product that we came out with. What do you guys think? Do you guys agree with my opinion? Do you guys have a different opinion? What do you guys think of the e-girl trend overall? Let me know down in the comments below. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like my art, if you guys like my energy, please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications, and I will see you guys in the future. Bye.